Dating can be a daunting prospect. However, every first date could be the start of a long and happy relationship. Here are 3 dating tips for men that will boost your chances of finding love. Modern dating is less rule-based than it used to be. 50 years ago, it was expected that the man would make the first move, pick up the bill, and generally be in the driver's seat. Today, dating rules for men are more relaxed, but men can still feel under pressure. Often guys struggle with flirting and dating, partly because they can find it hard to speak openly about these things with friends. Relationship advice for men is rarely a topic of conversation among mates. Whether you're new to dating, or returning to it after a long time, this dating advice for men will give you the confidence you need. Number 1. Women prefer alphas. Girls in the modern world prefer men who are smart, fit, successful, command respect from their male peers, and the kind of men who are not afraid of conflict. Including the girls they are interested in. To take a step back. In the world today, most men do not fit the characterization of an alpha male. In fact, there is some debate within the dating and personal development circles if the term alpha is even applicable, since it gives rise to a certain hierarchy among men, which need not necessarily exist. Be that as it may, the fact remains that guys who are good with their social skills, who are good with money, who are able to position themselves as leaders in their chosen field, academics, sports, fitness, self-help, and entrainment, invariably turn out to be the kind of guys who are able to get the girls they want. So where does that leave the average guy? Without presuming too much about the mindset and social status of the reader, it is a fair assessment that a lot of men who are struggling with their dating lives are not alphas. Or better, the way we would like to see things, the sort of men who are not at the top of their game. See, if the problem men are having with women comes down to their lack of status, money, networks, and their ability to stand up for themselves, have true confidence, it is right to think the problem we are dealing with goes beyond the purview of dating and relationships. If the alphas or the guys who are successful in life are doing better with women, then logically that ought to be an invitation for you to become a success in your life. Questions are you one? And if not, do you know how to get there? Number 2. Don't kid yourself. In the world of dating gurus, sex guides and approach coaches, and the like, what is often missed is the unique state of mind of the person in question. Who are you, or we, in this case, dealing with when it comes to the questions of dating and relationships? Be honest. What is your lay count? Is it in single digits? Is it just 1? Have you lost your V card? This serious. When it comes to addressing the shortfalls that men have in their dating and sex life, there is no one-size-fits-all solution. The mindset of a guy who has 10 lays to his name, for example, is bound to approach the idea of improvement in this arena differently from a novice who hasn't even been on his first date. This is where such boilerplate dating advice that you find across the web is almost pointless, since they fail to address what the guy, the one individual person, is going through. His state of mind. His history. To be able to provide a dating and relationship solution that works well for the individual, you need someone with proven expertise in the arena. We have been in this space for a while. From personal development, financial advice, dating, relationship coaching, and more. So if you are serious about finding answers to your dating and relationship questions, one that fits your specific profile, with concrete solutions, then look no further. Number 3. Watch and learn. When all is said and done, the question is, where do you start? What happens next? What is the first set of choices that you have to make things work in your dating life? Well, tips and guides are only gonna go that far. Providing the information to make better choices can only be so effective. And let's get real here, folks, this is a serious subject in a world filled with incels, red pills, black pills, and men who solicit prostitutes. It is clear that a lot of men do need help. And for a lot of guys, it is about fixing this matter at the outset. And that's what we are here to do. We are here to help you succeed not only in the arena of women and dating, but in building your fitness, achieving financial independence, and growing as a person. Are you ready for this challenge? In this video, we took on an awfully familiar topic, but we did so in an unconventional way. We took this opportunity to enlighten guys who are looking to improve in the dating space, but to do so first by starting by taking a serious look at themselves. Dating and personal development are interconnected. To succeed with women, you need to succeed in life. To succeed in life, you need the right guidance and expertise to show you the way. Do you have it? That's what we are here to do. Not to leave you with some half-assed dating advice and leave you dry. No. We are here to fix your problem. You ready?